Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to contact sellers in Temu application. To contact sellers on Temu, first of all, open the Temu application by tapping on the Temu app icon from the app drawer. Also, make sure to sign in to your account as well. Once you're signed in, go ahead and browse or search for the item listed by the seller you'd like to contact. Here I'm gonna just type in a random product's name in the search box. Now once you find the product, go ahead and tap on it to expand the product info. After you do that, scroll down and look for the seller's details. If there is a contact seller button, go ahead and tap on it, or you can also tap on the seller's page or their username or profile picture. Soon after you do that, you will be able to access their profile where you can find the contact options. Go ahead and follow the contact by tapping follow, and then once you've followed the person's profile, you can now go to the U button and then scroll down, click on followed provider and tap on view. You will then be able to view the profile of the person that you've just followed. If there is a contact address, contact number, or any other contact information, you will be able to initiate a conversation with the seller. If not, you might need to tap on the seller's username or profile picture to access their profile where you can find a contact option. So that is how you will be able to contact a seller on Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.